In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using, then click on More icon, which is 3+1 in the right upper corner, and select History. Then go to Clear Browsing Data, and you will find Basic and Advanced options. Just mark those that you would like to remove, those information that you would like to get rid of, and then select Time Range. I will go with All Time, and then click on Clear Data. Confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it. As you can see, the whole history has been erased. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.